I call it the What's happening?
What you on the minnows right now,
Yeah,
or both?
I'm on the minnows. I ain't got time to. I don't got time to put the worm out there. I'm trying to get the worm, but as soon as I drop it,
Uh,
them bitch they biting.
yeah. So just stay on the crappie for right now, shit,
I'm
'cause
on
you know they'll
crop.
slow up.
All I gotta do is sit that bitch out there. They going ASAP. The the uh the bluegills. I don't know, man. I think it's babies because they just keep stealing my bait. See, that motherfucker going. As soon as I stick him out there, they going. He got him.
This dude, no, we go all the way out of town to fish, and he just leave every time.
You know you be having to do your daddy duties, man. You feel me? I ain't finna interrupt no shit like that.
So I'm good, right? I'm trying to drop him off at school.
Right. Damn, he got away, bitch.
He was.
I just wanna have like 10 before you get here. I don't ask for much. Little 10
I
piece.
caught that already. Shit, I ain't even hit route. I ain't even hit the route yet. Shit, I still got what? 40 minutes. So you should have more than 10. Then Light No just called and asked me was I going to. I told him probably not.
He was just in here.
Where you at in your same spot?
Yeah, in front of Coco House. Who Paige got
Fuck is
took?
Coco?
The one who Paige got took that lived in the trailer.
That just went over my head.
All right, hold on. You don't know Coco? Coco from the other side, cuz. I mean, blood.
P.
What up?
Oh, my battery and stuff. My shit acting dumb as hell. Okay, so if he said he's 40 minutes away from you,
Right.
I want to make a bet.
Uh-huh.
I bet by the time he get there that you don't have 10 fish. So I'm going to bet $2 a fish, which is $20,
Right.
that you can't catch 10 fish at Coco House before Ghost get to you.
Oh, that's a good bet.
Yeah, look.
You ain't gonna make that bet, bro.
That should be easy, bro.
Hell no. Them bitches be
You
biting
know
this
where
bitch.
I'm at, so you know how long it's about to take me to get to you.
Boy, I don't give a fuck.
Is you, is you gonna take the $20 bet though, P?
Uh, do the fish count
You
on?
got to you got to 10 o'clock.
What time is it?
You got to 10 o'clock. It's 9:19.
And
You got to 10 o'clock
and
until he get there.
and you already got like 5, don't you?
No. All of them want keepers.
Oh,
So how many
see, they
fish you got right
you
now?
gotta
How
you
many
gotta
fish you
keep them
got right
now,
now?
cause that ain't the bet. The bet is to get some shit.
Right. The better the fish.
I'm gonna leave these bluegill alone.
And we ain't talking about no little crappies either. No little
See?
minnows.
See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying,
Yeah,
Ghost?
No, he said no minnows. He
yeah,
said no minnows.
none of them little minnow fish.
Right. I agree.
So you agree to the bet for $20 and for until you get there?
No bet.
Oh, come on now, P. That's the easy bet. Come on now.
It is an easy bet, but I
And
ain't
I'm
gonna
with
bet
you.
you on ass.
And
I don't
I'm
have no money. And if I bet you, even if I win, I'm gonna feel some type of way because I cheated. Because I don't got no money.
Well, you can IOU me then.
All
You
right.
can IOU me.
I think that's
So
gonna
that's
turn
the
me
bet.
on if I do that.
So that's bet.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Is that a bet or no?
Yeah, we can bet I
and I'm
catch
only
five.
going 10 miles per hour, dude, cause the traffic bad.
All right, just call me when you
No,
come.
nigga.
I
I
need
said 10.
I
Nigga,
need
I
you to
said 10.
chill at the gas station
Take the
for a minute,
bet.
Mike. Don't come
Take
straight
the
in.
bet.
Take it.
Take the bet. Hey, take the bet. I'm going 5 miles per hour, bro.
You got 10 on it, Mike?
Traffic, traffic tied up. My name Ghost, blood. My name Ghost, blood.
Go. Tell him to take the little $20 bet. It's gonna motivate you, P. It's gonna
Oh,
motivate you
that's
to
gonna
catch
jinx
more
me.
fish.
How you gonna
You
do
gonna
all
jinx
that
me
yap?
if I
He
do
gonna
that.
do all that yapping and then now he tucking his tail. Come on, man.
Go.
Take the
Yeah,
bet.
yeah. See?
If I can come up off this goddamn
P
thing.
scared. P scared. P, if you want that bet, just agree to it. I'm back in the comments.
All right, bet. I'll let you know.
Right, huh? Oh no, don't run out here and hit me. Shit. Fall all the way out this motherfucker.
Oh, that motherfucker came up here and made that bogus ass wager. Slowed down, stopped all movement on the motherfucking yard.
You said somebody just pulled through on a boat.
No, Imp just came up here and did that bullshit. Cream. That's bad luck for people to be doing that. You feel me?
Damn, it's foggy as shit. I see why they closed everything down in Oregon today. God.
Take the motherfucker. I ain't quit biting. I ain't finna fuck with y'all all morning.
Man,
Huh?
hey, hey, did you see they off that Crawford had a motherfucker that was willing to get them boys 25 million apiece, guaranteed up front?
Who turned it
What the
down?
fuck wrong with Spence, man?
Spence turned it down?
Al Heyman told Al Heyman told Spence like shit, we ain't locking in with nothing. You know what I'm saying? We need to see what the back end gonna do. And Crawford basically like shit, fuck the back end, we getting this up front. What if pay-per-view don't sell no fight? What if everybody use their fire stick? He went live yesterday talking about it. He said, what if everybody pay-per-view ain't selling like that no more? We willing to get 25 million a piece, bro. Let's take the money and roll. Fuck the back end. Al Heyman and Crawford like shit. See, I'm my own boss. I can make them decisions. You can't. Al Heyman telling you you can't do it. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
25 million. Al Heyman, you gonna have
That's
to back
crazy.
there. I'm going to get that 25.
Right.
That's the
But
biggest purse ever.
he can't. He can't make. Right. He can't make that call though. You know what I'm saying? Al Heyman trying to be greedy. He wants the back end deal, which is you don't know what the back end deal gonna
God,
be,
that was a
but it ain't gonna be no 25 million.
I don't know what that was. That bitch damn near put the pole in the water. I'm finna
It
go
don't
find
matter where it's coming from, long as it get there. Shit.
that.
That's what
25.
Spence tweeted this morning, talking about some all money ain't good money. Where is it coming from? Fuck all that.
Right. You tripping.
Aaron Crawford said he got two different people that's willing to pay that money. And I'm figuring it's Jay Z one of them, and probably Jay Z and then that other cat that just signed him and Adrian Broner
Adrian Broner got signed
for 10
again?
million. Yeah, him and Crawford got signed to that black something BMK some shit for 10 million for 1 year for 3 fights.
3 fights? Niggas ain't doing no 3 fights in one
Yeah,
year though, bro.
Spence Spence wants 60-40. Spence gonna get 60-40 either way it go. So you willing to get 25 million? Man, he ain't made that in all his whole boxing career. Shit, the
Fact.
fuck. And that's up front. So whether the fight don't do as good as people think it's gonna do, they still gonna get theirs. They don't gotta take no risk. Put it like that. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
The boxing promoter's the one taking the risk. Al Heyman retarded. But he know if Spence get his hands on that kind of money, then he slowly but surely push him out the way. Cause now he don't need you. You know damn well long as Spence getting 3 and 2 million a fight, Spence spending that money fast as he making it. So he still needy. Shit.
Uh, I don't like how long they took to make the fight anyway. They won't take so long a motherfucker ain't gonna care about the fight.
It's gonna be like a Pacquiao and Mayweather.
That wasn't that was some bullshit.
Now Crawford said he getting paid He getting paid more than he ever got paid for this fight he got coming up. Why wouldn't he take the fight? I've been calling Spence. I didn't talk to Al Heyman. You know what I'm saying? Al Heyman told me Spence can't sit down at the table. He the boss. He said he even got to calling Spence on his phone, like, bro, like, shit, we need to take this 25 million. And Spence keeps saying, but who is it? Where is it coming from? Don't worry about where it's coming from. You gonna get it, 25.
All right.
He said Spence took so long to get back with him. He said, fuck it, I'm gonna call Al Heyman. Al Heyman told him straight up, like, nah, we don't need no investors. Damn.
Damn. Dude gave me the biggest motherfucking minnows in the goddamn back.
Which one you went to? The same one we always go to?
Yeah.
Or Happy Hooker?
Happy Hooker. That's where we always go. What you mean? Or Happy Hooker?
No, we don't go to Happy Hooker to get the minnows.
Where we go?
We go to the first one.
I go to Happy.
The first one. The little yellow. No, the little yellow building. He the one got the small ones. Remember the first one we went to? When we all just went the last time.
I don't remember.
Remember the base shot where you picked up your pole, like, and I'm like, no, you don't need to get that here. That's the first base shot. Happy Hookers they got them big ones.
Ever since motherfucking Cream came up here, bro. Bad luck ass motherfucker.
Just switch docks now.
I don't switch docks.
Okay, you can't be stagnant. You gotta move around. Anytime you fishing on docks, you gotta move around.
Right.
See, yeah, you gotta go to Bite Me.
Oh, I've been there behind the gas station. That's the one behind the gas station. Bring me some minnows, bro. Yeah, real nigga one time.